Hi, Felix. How you doing? Are you pooping? What are you doing, little man? Hi, Moxie. Excuse me. You making friends with the kitty? You meeting Moxie? Moxie's trying to... Come on. Hi, Felix! What are you doing?
Talking?
Are you not talking anymore? Are you camera shy? Oh, well, you told me, didn't you? You stuck it to me. What else you got to say about that? How do you feel about the current economic situation?
Moxie.
I know, it's dire, isn't it? You got anything else to say, little man? You're like a parrot or something.